ります。इतना गर्मी क्यों है यार? कितना भी पंखा चला लो, कितना भी कूलर चला लो, कूलर चलाओ, फिर भी गर्मी तो लगता है ना. It's all गर्मी. It's all गर्मी. Oh, what's this? Get lands? Oh,どういうこと？どういうこと？ GitTorrents. Oh, now you can. All my GitHub comments over here. I can see them directly from my VS Code. From the VS Code. いただきます。हाँ यार, कितनी देर हो गया, मतलब परेशान कर दिया है. अब नहीं होता है ना. गेका बुचो नहीं नारा देता सो दिसने. गेका बुचो. ला 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 ला. गेका बुचो नहीं नारा देता सो दिसने. यार गेका बुचो नहीं नारा देता सो दिसने. Why is it so much matches? Who get it? You don't get anything. No matches. Today it's ugly. Today is ugly day. Today is ugly day. Oh, Axios is declared, but its value is never read. Oh, new node is declared but never used. Problems are so many everywhere. Everywhere. Who's again now? ふざけんな。ふざけやがって。ふざけやがって。ふざけんなよ、お前。ふざけんな。अरे यार. Just this time.ふざけやがって。 चल पड़ीゲイカ部長になられたそうですね。出世がてらがしら出世がしら Okay, part 2 party. Let's party. Wow. Why are the locking? No locking. Okay. ゲイカ部長になられたそうですね。Sorry. Everything looks fine. Get effect, const, node creation. We have that as well. Node creation ですね。Node creation. あ、いいね。いいね。いいんじゃないっすか。Oh, we don't need that anymore. Testing. No testing no more. Testing no more. No more of the test. Oh, sorry. We can have MDRA now. Oh, it'll be fine. It's fine. ゲイカ部長になられたそうですね。なられたそうですね。The app is nicely typed and ready for further development. The code of the type nodes can be found here. A note about defining object types. We have used interfaces to define object diary entries in the previous section. We have used interfaces to define object types, diary entries in the previous section, and in the course part of the section in the course. Ooh. Okay, and in the oh my lord, it's so hot. It's getting hot, and in the course part of the section, interface course part base. Interface code bar base. Code bar base. ゲイカ部長になられたそうですね。No, not at all. Who told you that? ゲイカ部長、yeah. Not at all. We're not using this new anymore. Are we using that at all? ないですね。じゃない、いないみたいですね。And in the course part of the section, interface course part base. I remember in the part of the section, we actually could have achieved the same effect by using a type alias. Oh, type alias. なんだこれ。何それ。We have been using object types and union types by writing them directly in type annotations. God damn. So many times you well, you declare a variable using const var or let. You can optionally add a annotation to explicitly specify the type of the variable. In most cases though, this isn't easy. Optionally add a type of variable explicitly whenever possible. My English is weak. For a car annotation. Annotation क्या होता है? Annotation क्या होता है? A note, comment or explanation added to a text, image or data to provide context, interpretation, or analysis. TypeScript doesn't use types on the left style declaration like its type annotations will always go after the thing being typed. In most cases though, this is easier whenever possible. TypeScript tries to automatically infer the types in your code. For example, the type of a variable is inferred based on the type of its initializer. No type annotation needed here. My name is inferred as type string. For the most part, you don't need to explicitly learn the rule of inference. If you're starting out, try using fewer annotations than you think. You might be surprised of you need for TypeScript to fully understand what's going on. A type alias I wanted to learn about. We've been using object types and union types by writing them directly in the type annotations. Object types and union types. This is convenient, but it's common to want to use the same type more than once and refer to it by a single name. A type alias is exactly a name for any type. The syntax for a type alias is exactly that, a name of any type. The syntax for a type alias exactly the same as the earlier example. Type alias number type. You can exactly type a type alias to give a name. You can actually use a type alias to give a name to any type at all. You can actually use a type alias to give a name to any type at all, not just an object type. For example, a type alias can name a union type. Type alias can name a क्या है यार, पता नहीं क्या ये भाई तुम्हें इतना क्या है, मतलब समझ में नहीं आता कई बार तो. Note that aliases are only aliases. You cannot use type aliases to create distinct versions of the same type. When you use the alias, it's exactly as if you had written the alias type. In other words, this code might look illegal, but it's okay to type because both types are aliases for the same type. Type user input sanitized string function string create a sanitized input. User input sanitized input get in boot ô sao gì ô sao gì ô sao gì can still be reassigned with yeah that's can still be reassigned with a string though. reassigned with a restring. अरे क्या कर रहे हो यार इसमें? अब पता नहीं क्या है यार. स्ट्रिंग है, ये भी स्ट्रिंग है, वो भी स्ट्रिंग है. स्ट्रिंग रिटर्न कर दे. मैं can still be reassigned. वाह क्या मैं पता लगा है. Note that aliases are only aliases. You cannot use type aliases to create different distinct versions of the same type. When you use the alias, it's exactly as if you had written the alias type. I have no idea what you mean by that. In other words, this code might look illegal, but it's okay according to TypeScript because both type aliases are the word. Brrr. No, we actually could have achieved the same effect by using a type alias. Okay. Type inference. No, in most cases you can use either type or inference, whichever syntax you prefer. However, there are few things to keep in mind. For example, if you define multiple interfaces with the same name, they will result in merged interface. Whereas if you try to define multiple types with the same names, it will result in an error starting that a type with the same name is already declared. TypeScript documentation recommends using interfaces in most cases. And interface declaration is therefore another way to name an object type. Name an object type. Sorry. Ole Kole Kolevan Koleva I'm sorry. Sanitize, whatever that is. Just like when we use a type alias above, the example works just as if we had used an anonymous object type. TypeScript is only concerned with the structure of the value. We pause to print code. Ooh, it only cares that it has the expected. It only cares that it has the expected properties. It only cares that it has the expected properties. Properties being considered only with the structure and capabilities of type is why we call TypeScript as structurally. Just like when we use a type alias above, the example works just as if we had used an anonymous object. TypeScript is only concerned with the structure of the value. We pause to print code. It only cares that it has the expected properties. Being concerned only with the structure and capability of types is what we and why we call TypeScript a structurally type system. In most cases, okay. I will do that after this. I will do that after this. Let us now build a front end for what's that? Ilari's flight diaries that was developed in the previous chapter. I didn't develop that. The application goes to the directory flight diaries in your submission repository. Lepo. Whatever, man. So this name. Oh, services and diaries. Router. एक्सप्रेस, अरे पता नहीं क्या क्या यूज़ करते हैं साले, हटा है मेरे को नहीं करना ही है, मैं नहीं कर रहा भाई ये. Okay, that's fine. Let's try to find something else that we can actually do instead of this. I don't know what how should I off it? God dang it. No, whatever. Okay. Okay, let me update my VS Code first. It's very hot. What happened? What the heck is that? Whatever that thing is, like, I didn't ask for it. Finally, Kira. I missed you so much, Kira. Kila, my baby. Do you photo? Damn, I haven't looked at this code in a while. Oh, it looks so many things I've done. Okay. Yeah, I shouldn't have. But that's also fine. No. What do I need to run? Am I looking at the same right holder? Ah. It's not here. Damn, you forgot. You forget things. Whatever. Shut up. Phew. Hi, Kira. Welcome. Today you have 28 cards to study. Dashboard, review, and card. What if I turn it off? Ah, that looks so ugly. Mama. Yes. I gotta do something about this. Yeah, wait. Let me see what we can do. Tutorial establish pivot, skipping the client diaries exercises, calculated risk, do exercises access to teach you how to handle complex and predictable backend data validation on the front end, If your React app crashes lately, you didn't anticipate malformed data, this decision will haunt you. However, I'm proving this bypass. Why? Because tutorial is LSPL and constantly to learn how to build production software is to build. Actually, we are not building a file IDs. We are building we have our strict FSRS data that contracts flashcard rating state. We have your mock DB server running on port 3. We build the interfaces for the next few days. Your focus is entirely on the component structure. We will not dump everything into the app.cs example. We are going to build isolated module, little React component. Here is your image detection. DAC list.tsx is a component that, yeah, but yeah. साले मेरा नाम चुराता है. This guy stole my name. Lame. What's my good up though? I forgot. Yo, Shawan. You're entirely correct. This is exactly kind of architecture for site. Expect you cannot build a core fortified scalable application on top of this entire TypeScript foundation. If we try to implement I see the spa, however, let me be explicitly clear about my nature as an AI. I do not possess an entire local terminal to run Bitcoin and refactor your entire repository in the background. Damage cities are not automated. Filstrip provides the architecture blueprints you write and execute the code hardware and interface to everything. React JavaScript code based to TypeScript without breaking the entire experience. Install the contract dependencies. Your project needs the TypeScript compiler and type definitions for React. Run this in your terminal. Okay, TypeScript migration comments starts now. Save dev TypeScript @types React @types React done. Ta-da! Your project needs the TypeScript compiler and type definitions for React. You need to tell the compiler how strict to be wrong. NPM artifacts. 4 vulnerabilities. NPM artifacts. Audit fix. Do some magic. Failed to remove directory, whatever, you know. Found vulnerability 0, so it's fine. You need to tell the compiler how strict to be run and TSC. Note if you use read this file might already exist or need slightly different defaults, which we will address. Yeah. Hi, Pamelin. Konnichiwa. Pamelin-san. Pam-san. Actually. Commands. Hi, Famsan. What's up? Exactly what I say. It's writing copies of it. Browser do not understand TypeScript. They only speak JavaScript. We need to install the TypeScript engine to check our code for errors and eventually compile it back down to standard JavaScript before deploying it to the web. What the specific pieces do? Save them. We are saving these as development dependencies. Your and users don't download TypeScript when they load Kira. It's strictly a tool for you, the developer to use while building. Hi, konbanwa. Konbanwa. Konbanwa desu ne. Nihon ni wa. Konbanwa. We are saving these as development dependencies. Your end user. Oh, actually, you were like, do you understand English? Yeah, 英語できますか？英語できますか？フェムさん。Asking about, you were saying that you're also interested in programming and on. Yeah. How much do you know? まあごめんなさいね、ここはちょっとこっちはちょっとうるさくて、まあ背後にクーラー、まあファンが走ってるので、まあその音ですまあそれがちょっとうるさいです。We are saving these as development dependencies. Your end user. इसके अंदर झंडा नहीं है बहुत गर्मी हो गई है okay, we are saving these as development dependencies. Your end user don't download TypeScript and they load Kara. Don't download TypeScript when they load Kara. It's a secondary tool for you, the developer, to use while building TypeScript. This is the actual compiler engine. This is the police officer that screams you when you try to pass a string into a number field. Types React. React was originally written in JavaScript, not TypeScript. Therefore, the TypeScript compiler has no idea what use state or dev is by default. These packages are essentially translation dictionaries. They contain the strict TypeScript definitions. These packages are translation dictionaries contain the TypeScript definitions for every thing inside the React library, allowing your compiler to understand React hooks and HTML down. Why we run that? TSC PC でチャット打てなくなっちゃったのでスマホでチャットしません。I have learned programming a little like Python and Unity, but I'm a beginner programmer. そうですか。Yeah, it's so funny to use Japanese on stream. So like like why are you learning programming? Like for what, like, what kind of job do you wanna do? God, it might look so ugly. For what purpose are you learning programming? Like, do you wanna become a developer or like web developer or app developer or like game developer? What kind of job, profession, like, you know, job you wanna do? TypeScript is highly customizable. Created a new TS objection. New बना देगा इसमें. TypeScript is highly customizable. You can set it to be very loose, allowing lazy code, or extremely strict, blocking the build for the slightest infraction. This command generates a file called tsconfig.json. tsconfig. What it does, tsconfig.json is the ultimate rulebook for your repository. When you run ts init, it creates this file which with the standard defaults. When you use ts init, it creates this file with this standard defaults. It creates this file with this standard defaults. However, because we are building the regulated Apple enterprise kernel, we are going to open that file to make it much stricter. Once you generate it, you can open TS and ensure that two specific rules are set to true. Strict true. This is the master switch. It turns on all strict type checking options. Strict. What are these? No input word found. अरे क्या है मैं जो चुप करना. इधर कर सकते क्या? दो. Why so many options are strict? Duplicate key? Shut up. God dang it.そうかよ。ちょっと待って。Okay, recommended options. Strict is true and no implicit any true. Is it? Do we have no implicit? No implicit style options. नहीं करा. No implicit any to be true. I want to become a video game developer and I want to make some web services. Well, I'm learning it to become a web developer. Like, 僕の英語聞き取れますか？まあ、英語はどれぐらいわかりますか？まあ、チャットで変えなくてもいいですか？まあ、英語で。まあ、僕の英語を聞き取れるのなら、僕は、まあ、ねthis is the most important rule in your code base. It forbids you from leaving a variable untyped. If you forget CFRだと A1B2 で頑張ってリスニングします。Okay. That's cool. That's cool then. まあ、yeah, like I wanna become a web developer, so yeah, yeah. I mean, the languages that I learn, I mean, programming languages are different than yours. I think for game development, you learn C sharp. You can do Python. Like you have learned Python. Yeah, for most of the game developers, they learn C sharp and C++. I do know both of those languages though. This is the most important rule in your code base. It forbids you from leaving a variable untyped. If you forget to add a generic or an interface, the compiler will instantly fail. It completely eliminates the trust in your anti-pattern we discussed yesterday. You know how the engine works and how the rules are set. It is time to lay the foundation. Execute those commands in your terminal and install Python. Generate the rulebook hardware before you start using the I need to write a piece of information about the existing repository structure. What build to it originally used to generate files for that which you can create that read or a custom like that. Yeah, today is gonna be slow, man. That's fine, like to move to different things. It takes time. Two chain confirm wait protocol. Excellent choice. Great read. app is dead in Japanese enterprise teams have entirely migrated to Vite Dutch. Yes, Vite automotive replacement. HMR is lightning fast, which will save you hours of waiting during this 2-week sprint because you scaffolded the project as vanilla JavaScript. We did not give you the TypeScript configurations out of the box. We have to write them manually. Read does not actually compile your TypeScript. It uses a tool called ESBuild to strip the types out instantly. Does not actually compile your TypeScript. It actually uses a tool called ESBuild to strip the types out instantly, leaving the type checking entirely up to the ID and the TSC command we just installed. Because of this, your TSC just needs very specific rules to play nicely with read override the entire contents of your newly generated with this exact. अब है यार ना सब कुछ हटाना पड़ेगा ना target why behind the culture option what तो अरे क्या है यार पता नहीं क्या बना रहा हूँ मैं what's this option is deprecated and will stop functioning deprecated and will stop functioning in TypeScript. So what should I do with this? Why behind the critical rules isolated module through read compiles files one by one. This rule stops you from writing TypeScript code that requires reading multiple files at once to understand the types. Read compiles files one by one. This rule stops you from writing TypeScript code that requires reading multiple files at once to understand the types. No emit through. This tells the TypeScript compiler just check for errors, do not output any JavaScript files. The Vite will handle the actual builder JSX. This is the modern React 17 plus standard. It stops you from having to write import React from React at the top of every file just to use JSX. Okay. Vtrap index.html. When you rename your file, Vite will break if you don't update an entry point. When you rename your files, Vite will break if you don't update its entry point. In the root of your project open index.html, you will see a line like this. Type module source main.jsx. You must change the JSX here, or Vite will give you a blank screen. Override your TS with update the script. वो कर दूंगा मैं. Okay. The breakdown diagnosis. Do not panic, the red lines means the engine is on and the safety checks are working. You are looking at two different types of warnings here. One is an architecture timeline issue and the other is a file issue. System top errors, no inputs were found in conflict file. Look at line 20 in your screenshot. Line 20 include source. You told the TypeScript compiler, hey, go inside, check all your TS and TSS files. The compiler went to the folder, found exactly 0 TypeScript files because everything is still JS in 3 and R. The fix, the moment you create TypeScript.ts inside source or rename your first JSX file to TSX, this will instantly disappear. Okay. You know, like oh, favicol. Okay, so like, yeah, we're gonna change everything, but like, you know, the first error is gone. I mean, the red thing is gone. Line 8 and 14 errors. Option is deprecated and will stop functioning in TypeScript 7. Yeah, what are these? Welcome to the reality of enterprise software. Tools update console. You install the absolute latest version of TypeScript, which is actively phasing out older ecosystems. Module resolution node is the old way Node.js resolved. Files node 10. Modern Vue projects. Module resolution node is the old way Node.js resolved files, not Node 10. Modern Vue projects use a bundler, so TypeScript wants us to explicitly state that. Yes, modern Vue projects use a bundler, so TypeScript wants us to explicitly state that. Yes, module interop false is being phased out because the ecosystem has universally agreed that true is safer for importing third-party libraries. The fix is that you make that true, bro. True. Ecosystem has universally agreed that the true is safer for importing third-party libraries. We simply adjust the. Okay. This one resolution is bundler, not no. Bundler. That's gone. Well, one by one. Is the old way Node.js resolved files? Modern Vue projects use a bundler, so TypeScript wants us to explicitly say that. Okay. Notice I changed ES interrupts to true and bundler. The rulebook is updated. Now you need to give the compiler something to actually check and add the type of the error. Okay, inside your SRS for creates a paste or FSRS data. FSRS data contract flashcard rating state into the file and save it. We can do that. paste our FSRS contracts. Flashcard reading state into that file and save it. Rename main.jsx to tsx. Remember to update the script tag into HTML. Okay. Let's rename everything. I think update imports, yes. One by one. The color is changing. TypeScript though. Is it okay? Oh yeah, here a little bit of like that goes away, and then we are not using that. We haven't done much. What's here? Component header. Header the show. Card use date. What was this? Add card display. Added card. Gone. What's here? Implicitly, like, for that I'm gonna have to give them that. What? That, types. It's fine, that's fine. Okay, Jurassic migration decay. I see what you do. I told you to remember what you talk a little more time. I just take it rest of this. That's fine. That's fine. That's really fine. You know. It's fair, but you get the bandit on that low time for the plans. Also, the compiler has officially woken up, looked at the untyped JavaScript on the side string people added a class or a property because of no implicit rule. The config, that is how we start bleeding to puppet. The good TypeScript uses correctly your React hooks. Use dev.tsx, use field.tsx. Or now recognize the TypeScript files. Oh wow, I like this. Damn, so many red. God damn it. What have I written? Types is the correct place. Your React hooks. Use dev.tsx. Use or not recognize as TypeScript files. Custom hooks. The red read alert in your data folder. We are constants and we are using JSON and JSON as a not by compile to the choose root of the select. So that is a jar. Components are feeling because they take props like functions or card objects. Components are feeling because they take props like on-click functions or card objects. But TypeScript doesn't know what those props are allowed to be. We are not going to write any features until the red lines in your VS Code. Explorer head 0. So verify the code and try to open your SRS types. Ensure that fucking code. Ensure that the copy this looks fucking hell, everything is so far out. Let me close everything, man. It's so. God damn, I don't like it. Okay. Ah, wow. db.json. First we go here. Okay. We open our types. Is it fine? Learning review. So many states we're gonna have. After a month, did I write this all of this code? I cannot believe. Wait a minute. I need to find this stuff. Look at all this stuff first. I know what to do first. Add card. What? Money. State learning. Oh, भाई क्या क्या लिख दिया मैंने गाली की दे रहाちょっと待って。 सीधा हो जा मैं सीधा हो जा मेरा है ना मत अपना करो हट जा बैंक हट जा नहीं मार दूँगा इसको नीचे खोल दूँगा इसको अबे इसको नीचे खोल दूँगा यार एक तो है ना स्प्लिट नीचे नहीं होता क्या नीचे नीचे खोल लेगा ना नीचे नीचे खोल लेगा ना इधर नीचे खोल लेगा ना इधर नीचे खोल लेगा ना कसम स्ट्रेंथ नहीं लगाना that is also going to be a strain so we have number is fine right straight state is state nani state is state are you kidding me Shinu was better. Would have been better. Shine. Import the top. Cards of TSX. चुप करना है ओके you share. Man, I don't even know simple things. Don't worry. You'll learn. A bug in your code could accidentally set a flashcard state to potato carbohydrate level. When your FSRS map function tries to calculate the next interval for potato, the entire app crashes. Writing state, you're telling the compiler, go look the custom state type I defined earlier. This variable is strictly forbidden from holding anything that is not explicitly listed in that union. It is rigid, impenetrable, configurable. We can make types. New we can have types, learning, state, learning, then review and relearning. Type union, that's type union. Damn. Sorry. Interval. Is it fine to write like this? String candidates. Next review. Again hard. We don't have those things though. That's a string as well. Strictly compatible. Gotta change this to looks a bit ugly. Wow. This variable is replicable from holding anything that is not explicitly listed in that statement. I'm looking to replace this when special success implementing the consolidated account and touch the very best of the launch of the two release special JSON from server and tries to assign it to your state. It's going to be rejected. It's unassignable. Picture notice that you deleted the output theme names of the listed in your point I am in distress. Oh. You're fine. Haven't written anything. I will do. Gonna take 5 more hours. Yeah, maybe 10, 2 days, 5 days. Because my brain doesn't work. Okay, sorry. New state. Let's do this level. I'll change this. I'll change everything. Next review. Calculated strength. Calculated strength. तो यहाँ आ गई ना. इसको कैसे बुला रहे हैं? यहाँ देना यार है क्या? नीचे का है इसका. इसको दे रहे हो ना. ऊपर तो नहीं है ना. That's fine, that's fine. Calculated string though. Again. Calculated string. Calculated string. Calculated part. First of all, I don't like the name. Okay, sorry. Okay. That's fine. It's alright. It's alright. Nalu doko Koko daよね. I don't like लड़ाई करनी है मैंने है ना साथ के साथ सब कुछ करना ही होगा Okay, sorry. Okay. There you go. Give you for card.tsx, import the types, define the card class, and apply it to the function. सब कुछ करूँगा मैं, सब कुछ धीरे धीरे. I will do everything because my brain works very slow. That's why. So yeah, it's gonna take time. Gonna take time, baby. Got it. Dare. Yeah, इसको तो हटा दिया. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, like お前や、おい。なあ。ああ。ああ。ああ。ああ。ああ。Oh, yeah. Do we have to do like that types too? No? We were doing that before. That's fine. What's expected? Me, no, by me. Okay, sorry. 大人になるんだろう。あー、タイプじゃないのかよ。あー、でしょ。Handles front word back and count. Should have left comments, man. Okay. でしょでしょやさ噂通りね。Okay. なりますね。What am I even doing? God damn it. Forgotten everything, boy. You are so beautiful to me. You are so beautiful to me. Total cards, current cards, show answer. Show answer is fine, current card, fine this kiddo. Okay. And total cards, that's fine, current cards. Okay, like, I'll do it, like, it's gonna take. Use deck. Oh, it's talking about decks. No, decks, I mean, sorry. Okay, this is a custom hook that I created for some reason. Mane current cardですよね。いいね。Damn, boy. I feel like Bina, Mane, Amma, okay, sorry. Amma, Abuji. Okay, that's sorry. Interval card, current card, interval. Hey, what's happening over here? Interval? Okay. That is that. Current card. Okay. That's the reason why you should not skip. Why you should not give too much of a break to your coding, otherwise you forget what you have written. 大人になるんだろう動画に好きな人になるはずだねもう夏っぽ夏です。ありがとうございます。ありがとう。大人になるんだろう。大人になるんだろう。Have an impression. Doesn't matter. It happens. Like it's usual. That's even lower than that, so I don't expect anything actually. Yeah, I'm hungry. Okay, it's fine, man. Oh, this is it. Okay. Yeah, ma. You know, like, it's fine. Like, ma, you shut up. Okay, oh, everything is fine. So here, everything's fine. I cannot believe I took a month to complete this section. Yeah, even after that, actually, I should start. Not that. Yes, primitives. State first your own type. Multiple operations. Multiple. Chotto matte ne. Gotta sniff it all over again. Sniff, suck it. Gotta suck this knowledge in. You gotta suck it, man. You gotta suck it all back. It ain't no child play. Chotto matte kudasare. Otono ni naruんだろう. Okay, sorry. Ling lang ling lang. chinglang lilang pinglang chinglang. Chottomatte kudasare. Shut up, man. You're so cringe. Why are you cringe? Cringy, dringy, bagle, bogle, jangle, jogle, pipla, pople, तेरी माँ का ढोकले. Okay, sorry. I'm absorbing it. Okay, I'm absorbing it all. Yo, it's coming to me. Everything is coming back to me. Oh, nah. Oh. It's like, oh, you know all this. So it's coming back to me. Yeah, I do know all of this. So everything comes back to me. So nothing, man. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's coming. Okay. This yo. I was a little away. Not little, I was away from all this for too long. So it has become dusty. I just need to dust it out. And everything is gonna go. Everything is going to be okay. I don't have to. Yeah, this was the thing. You don't have to. This is too rare. Yeah, okay, sorry. Oh, mare, umare this. Showa umare. Ureva, showa umare deus. Express. This is nothing, you know. It's all coming back to me, so okay. Just need to blabber a little more. Yab a little more. Oh. Yeah, everything is fine, you know. It's fine. Oh, अच्छा, अरे क्या ये ESLN क्या है भग जाए यहाँ पे. ओ इधर कुछ है, नहीं सॉरी. ओके okay. As operations, but not commented though. It's a dirty trick, okay?どういうこと？そうかよ。そうですね。It's define import calculator defined operations yes linked hard basket. मैंने है ना ये सब कुछ आया विशेषण या हम नहीं करते ये सब कुछ. ये नहीं करते हम सब कुछ. बाय द वे मैंने ये कर दिया सब कुछ है ना. तो गान मारी मास थोड़ा सा है ना. Okay, I'm getting it all back. Everything is coming back to me, so no worries.